What's up guys, this is Diego with XÆA-12LINK, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can play your Oculus Quest with your Xbox One. So you're going to be able to watch your Xbox One and see it in a big giant screen over 100 inches, kind of like cinematic screen, and it's all going to be through the headset. So you're going to be able to play all your favorite Xbox One games through your Oculus Quest. So it's super cool, great experience. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and I'm also going to show you me doing it later on the video. But what you're going to need is your Oculus Quest, you're going to need your Xbox One, and you are going to need the XÆA-12LINK. So this is the XÆA-12LINK. It is a cable that goes onto your computer, and it is a nice thick long 16-foot cable. This one's a 16-foot, and if you guys want to check it out, it'll be down in the description below. But what you're going to do is you're going to connect the 3.0 USB to the back of the computer, and after that you are going to connect the smaller drive into the Oculus Quest, and it goes in there nice and easy. And it is a nice thick cable, so you don't have to be too gentle with it, and it also comes with a strap. So you're going to use the strap, and you're going to, you guys can see, just put the cable, kind of wrap it to the back, and then from there you can use the strap that it came with, the Velcro strap, and just strap it to the back so it stays nice and out of your way when you're playing video games, especially Rift games. With the Xbox One you can just be sitting down, so we won't have to worry too much about that. So after we do that, we're nice and secure with our Oculus Quest. You're going to get on the computer, and assuming you already downloaded the Xbox One app on your computer, so through the Rift app, I'm assuming you guys already set up the Rift functions on this. If you haven't, you guys can check out the previous videos down in the description below on how to play your Oculus Quest with the Rift. Alright guys, so you want to make sure that you are logged into your Xbox One account, both on the Xbox and also on the Xbox Console Companion. If you don't have the Xbox Console Companion, you can download it somewhere here on the XÆA-12LINK, or you can download it down in the description below. I'll put a link to it. And you're going to want to have the Oculus Quest app. You're going to download the Xbox One app on there. It's a very small file, very quick to download. And you're also going to make sure that your Xbox One and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Depending on your Wi-Fi strength is going to depend on what a smooth experience you have through your Oculus Quest for the Xbox One. And you're going to, if you don't have one, you can also purchase in Night Gear is what I have, that also spreads out the Wi-Fi, so it makes it much faster while you're playing Xbox One on the Oculus Quest, so you have a better experience. If not, you can still try it out. It should be fine. You might just have to lower the resolution, but I'll show you guys all that in the headset once we put it on. And you're either you're going to just put it on the headset and look for the Xbox app once it's installed, or you can just click on here and just press start, and you can start playing the game. So we're just going to go ahead and do that now. You're going to want to make sure that your Quest controllers are nearby, and also your Xbox One controller. So all we're going to do is just put on our headset. I'm just going to go ahead and just click start on here on the computer through the app, and it should start streaming the actual game. So it's going to stream the Oculus Xbox app on here. And all we're going to do is we're going to look for the Xbox. It's going to look through it. Make sure that your Xbox One is connected to the same Wi-Fi like I said, and you're either going to look for your Xbox One, or it's just going to find it automatically. Right now it found mine automatically, and it shows where I left off on my Xbox game. I was playing Grand Theft Auto 5, but here I'll show you guys some of the settings that you can make when you're playing this game, when you're playing on your Oculus Quest, the Xbox One. So here you guys can see on the screen, you're going to want to make sure that you use your Oculus Quest controllers for this part at least. And here, this is the dome. So we're in the dome right now, and you can kind of look around. It's pretty cool. You can see like the whole space area, this whole space setting. and you're just in a big huge dome. This is actually my favorite map because you can make the screen the biggest on here, and you also have different places that you can go to. Like you have the Citadel. This is probably my third favorite, which is like the last one. But on here you guys can look around. It's just like a big building, so it's pretty cool. Also, just remember that the Xbox Oculus Link for the Quest is still kind of on beta mode, so don't be alarmed. It's just a little glitchy sometimes. It's not the XÆA-12LINK. It's just the software for the Oculus Quest. They're still working on it. And also, like, depending on your Wi-Fi, it depends how smooth your gameplay is going to be. So just be aware of that. And then the last one is my second favorite, which is the retreat. And the retreat's pretty cool. It's like you're in the middle of an ocean, but you also have a smaller screen than you would at the other locations. So we're going to go back to my favorite location, which is the dome. And in the dome, you can change the screen setting. I mean, you can change it anywhere, but on the dome you can change it to the biggest size. So first we're going to go on display, and you can control the size of the screen, the curvature, and the height with your Oculus remotes. So here we're going to make it bigger by bringing it closer to us, or we can bring it back and make it a little smaller depending on your preference. So my preference is maybe having it pretty close. I want to get the cinematic experience, make it seem like I have like a 300, 400 size screen, so it makes it just a screen gigantic on here. And then you can also curve it, so you can curve it back or you can curve it forward, and you can choose the height, so you can choose it down here or up here. I like to choose it kind of in the middle right here so I can still look around. So there you guys have it on that, and you control the settings, by the way, by moving your head and then like pressing the setting. So you see like a little circle, and you can choose what setting, and then from here I can just go side to side to choose what setting I want. You can choose the environment volume, and you can also choose the network. So the network stream quality is going to either increase the quality of the gameplay, but the higher quality, the better your internet has to be, or it's going to lag a lot. So you want to make sure that either, I picked mine at medium. I have a pretty decent connection. I also have the Nighthawk modem, which like I said, I'm gonna put down in the description below, or somewhere on the XÆA-12LINK you should see the option to purchase a modem to make it a faster experience when playing on the Xbox, Xbox through your Oculus Quest. So right now I'm on medium. We're just going to leave it at medium, and then we're just going to put our Oculus Quest remotes down on the side, and I'm just going to grab my actual Xbox One controller to be able to play. This one's connected to the Xbox, and now we can actually play our Xbox. So here I am, I'm playing Grand Theft Auto 5. Here's Trevor. You guys can see how big the screen looks. So it's a pretty cool thing to do, have a big screen going, and you can just look around. You might actually have to move your head to actually explore the location a little bit sometimes. I see a dog right there. We're going to steal this car. And we're just going to go to the airport, and we're going to fly a plane. So anyways, I hope this video is useful to you, and you guys are able to set up your XÆA-12LINK with your Oculus Quest and play Xbox One games, which is awesome. And then I'm also just going to play the game, and you guys can just watch. Let me steal this big truck right here. But anyways, guys, I'm just going to play the game now. You guys can just watch me play. I'm going to go get a plane from the airport and call it a day. Maybe in the future I'm going to also install more games for the Xbox, or play more Xbox games through the XÆA-12LINK so you guys can watch. But this is pretty much the setup video, and also a little preview of playing Xbox One through the Oculus Quest. Alright guys, I'm just going to play now.
flying in restricted airspace. Turn around immediately.
I got brand name stuff I'm selling.
Air support en route.